Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're gonna change the license plate bulbs on this Nissan Altima. All right guys, just get a flathead screwdriver or something, get under here, and then you're gonna push in because there's a clip in there, and then you're gonna pull it out like that. Now this part, just push in this clip and pull out there. All right guys, these are supposed to be changed as a whole unit because these are sealed from the factory. They're like 15 bucks for a pair in Amazon. But if you don't want to do that, you need to get underneath here and just pull back this gasket and just try to get behind this and just, there you go, and they just come out. Now you got your bulb in there. All right guys, so these pull out, but it's a little hard to do in there, so just take a screwdriver and just pry it out. Once you get it started, you could pull it out. See, that's the bulb. So just get your new bulb. I'm just gonna put it in, click it in place, and then just close this, snap it in place, and then you're ready to put it back in. All right, guys, these are the bulbs you need, number 168. All right, guys, just plug it in, and you're gonna put this side first, and then snap it in place, and that's it. All right guys, that's how you change license plate bulbs on a Nissan Altima. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.